Happy Mail Queen. So I'm doing a project share, and I actually had recorded this video the other day. However, my phone, I record on my phone, you guys. When I do my videos, I edit on my phone mostly. Anyway, before I went to bed last night, my phone, there was a window pop-up and it wanted me to update my apps or something like that. You know, those updates that you get all the time. Well, I have been putting it off. Well, I finally decided, okay, well, I'm going to bed. It can update overnight. So I did. And it locked me out of my phone. Like, after it did the update, I have like a lock. Of course, I have a password, and I also did my fingerprint to lock the phone. Well, both were not working. It's crazy. So this morning, my husband called our phone company, but they couldn't really fix it. They couldn't unlock my phone. I had to go through like Samsung, I guess, to do it. The only other option was to erase everything on my phone, like wipe it clean. And I was able to restore some things through my husband's phone because our phones are linked. Anyway, long story short. It's not even short. Sorry. Yeah, I had recorded this and it got erased. So anyway, I've been a little obsessed with Lynda Kanase's her dies. And this was one of the ones that I hadn't really played with too much. And I made some paper clips, and that's what this is. This is called paper Clippables. And so, you know, I'm kind of determined to use my dies. And for projects, that is. So yeah, I made these. I'm still in unicorn theme mode, so I made this cute little paper clip. And there's actually another one that I've already packaged, so you guys can't even see the other stuff that I made. But I made these cute little unicorn paper clips, and I basically used this die right here, this one right here, this one, and the bow. I didn't do the rolled roses because that would be two-dimensional, and the ampersand, I don't know, I just didn't do that one. So yeah, these are the paper clips that I came up with. I just, again, used that same unicorn paper clip that I've been using. And I had never created paper clips going, you know, that way. Like clipping to the side. Usually my paper clips clip on the top like these. So I thought that was fun and different. And yeah, they're just awesome. So just wanted to share that with you guys a second time because I wasn't able to, you know, edit the other one because I lost all of my videos. And I did another process video about packaging, but I'm not going to redo it. It's just, it was kind of like I did it on the fly while I was packaging something, and now it's packaged, so can't redo that one. So yeah, anyway, let me just share with you though, I did package another set of paper clips. So I did this one right here. So isn't that cute? So and here's that butterfly. And I've used this butterfly before. You guys might have seen Tara's video recently. Hey girl, Tara Finch. I gifted her a butterfly paper clip. However, it was made out of faux leather. Or it could have been canvas, actually. I think it might have been canvas. But yeah, I did this one with paper because I wanted it to kind of match the whole unicorn theme. So yeah, I made this one, and then here's one of those pennant ones. This one right here. So that's how that looks like. It cuts out the little triangle pieces on the inside, so it kind of gives it a pattern. And I just added some Swarovski crystals, and since this is unicorn themed, I did add some unicorn trim on the bottom. So I'll be gifting this to somebody. you know, after I package it. So yeah, that is a great way to use this die. Great for your planners, and you know, for Lynda Kanase's like the little mini album that you can create with her other die. And then my husband was on line ordering something. He's been ordering stuff from Amazon lately, and he always asks me before he pulls the trigger, you know, do you need anything? And I found another Lynda Kanase die that was super inexpensive, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I bought this die. So I can't wait to play with it. It was really inexpensive, so I couldn't help myself, you guys. And it's because they're teeny tiny dies. But let me just show you. This one is called Planner Page Icons. And so you get 10 dies. I haven't played with it yet, but can't wait to do so, because I've been loving making little tiny embellishments. And this is a great one for travel because you have the airplane. You have a birthday cake, so it's a great one for birthdays. You have this cute little, what is this called? Tab. This one says, love it. You have an arrow. And look at that teeny tiny telephone. It's so cute. And then this one says, what does that one say? Life is good. And I love this little cart. It's great for your planner. So what it does is it cuts out the thing in the middle, and then it also cuts the circle. So isn't that cool? And then a little cup, little coffee cup with a little heart. It's just adorable. I could not pick it up. So yeah, I got that one. And so check it out on Amazon. If I find the link, if I get a chance, I will leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. And I can't remember if it was like one of those add-ons, but regardless, it was pretty inexpensive. It was like less than $10 for a set of dies. Not bad. And they're teeny tiny, so I don't know. I want to say like less than $7, but I can't be for sure. I'll leave the link down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. Okay, so yeah, I can't wait to play with this die. And yeah, pick up this die if you ever see it. It's a cute one to have for your planners and to embellish your mini albums. So that is my share for today. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.